एंड फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं बताने वाला हूँ मॉडल स्कूल एंड एक्सीलेंस स्कूल का जो एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होता है 2009 का सॉल्व पेपर। ये आपके 2022 में जो होने वाली परीक्षा है मॉडल स्कूल एंड एक्सीलेंस स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम, उसके लिए इसमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं। उन पे मैं आपको टिक करके बताता जाऊँगा, आप उनको लिखते जाइए और याद भी करते जाइएगा। इससे पहले मैं अन्य वीडियो भी बना चुका हूँ, अन्य सॉल्व पेपर के 2021 से 2010 तक हो रखा है पहले ही। आप प्ले लिस्ट में जाकर वो देख सकते हैं। हम बढ़ते हैं आगे। यदि आपका इससे संबंधित कोई डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को दबाएं और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें और दोस्तों के साथ ज़्यादा ज़्यादा शेयर करें। आइए बढ़ते हैं हम अब अपने क्वेश्चंस की ओर। तो सबसे पहले हमें यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस दिए रखे हैं। वन द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ गुजरात कंडीशंस ऑफ द सी इज ए ऑप्शंस क्लेम इज द राइट आंसर। सेकेंड, द मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट्स इन इंडिया वॉज सेट अप इन द ईयर सी ऑप्शंस 1864 is the right answer. Third, most floods affected states C options Assam is the right answer. 4, area of the countries where earthquake often occurs high high incidence ozone. Option B is the right answer. Arabli movement is the right answer. 5, the tsunamis of the 2004 December caused the greatest loss of human lives. A options Tamil Nadu is the right answer. 6, which place summits conference organized at the international level? C options Brazil's is the right answer. Rio de Janeiro is the right answer. Next, 7, drought prone areas is India's. D options all of the above. Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Rajasthan is the right answer. 8, the result of the effect of tsunamis disasters is B options movements of the movements in the sea waters is the right answer. B option. Next, 9, accumulations of large quantities of waters on a big areas which causes loss to the leaves and property is called V options flood is the right answer. Next, 10, the conference is Yokoyama's Japan's and seminars of disaster management was summits in C options 1994 is the right answer. Most important questions right now. Next, 11, the revolt of Colpols against his Britishers is related to C options. MP and CG is the right answer. And important questions right now. 12, in 1956 which regions was merged in Maharashtra? C options Vidarbha is the right answer. Okay, and most important questions right now. 13th, which tourism place of MP is centers of attractions for the foreigners? D options Khajuraho is the right answer. Next, 14, which dynasties of India gives the famous temples of Khajuraho? C options Chandel is the right answer. 15th and most important questions right now. Percentage of populations of MP which is B's low purity lines? B options 37.5% is the right answer. Next, 16th, where was Tajia's tops hanged? C option Sipuri is the right answer. 17, द क्रिया से बनी संज्ञा को कौन सा विकल्प सूचित करता है? बी ऑप्शन दाता इज द राइट आंसर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ. 18, पुलक संज्ञा से निर्मित विशेषण वाला विकल्प कौन सा है? ए ऑप्शन पुलकित इज द राइट आंसर एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ. नेक्स्ट, 19, दिए गए विकल्पों में हटना क्रिया से बना प्रेरणार्थक विकल्प कौन सा है? बी ऑप्शन हटाना, ये इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, 20, चिकना विशेषण से बनी क्रिया का कौन सा विकल्प सूचित करता है? सी ऑप्शन चिकनाना इज द राइट आंसर एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. नेक्स्ट, 21 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से कौन सा आदरवाचक क्रिया का सूचक है? डी ऑप्शन जाइए इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट 22 नीचे दिए गए विकल्पों में दुर्जन का सही समानार्थी शब्द कौन सा होगा? दुष्ट इज द राइट आंसर। राइट नाउ इट। 23 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से अग्नि का सही समानार्थी शब्द है? बी ऑप्शन अनल इज द राइट आंसर। मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिपीटेड टू 2019। ओके। 24 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से आकाश का सही समानार्थी शब्द बताइए? डी ऑप्शन नव इज द राइट आंसर। एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ। 25 नीचे दिए गए विकल्पों में से इच्छा का सही समानार्थी शब्द कौन सा है? ए ऑप्शन कामना इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट 26 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से पुत्री का सही समानार्थी विकल्प कौन सा है? तनुजा इज द राइट आंसर। एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ। 27 निम्नांकित विकल्पों में से उत्थान का सही समानार्थी शब्द कौन सा विकल्प है? इसका आंसर जो होगा वो सी ऑप्शन है। कौन सा? सी ऑप्शन। निष्कर्ष इज द राइट आंसर। 28 नीचे दिए गए विकल्पों में से इस कमल का सही समानार्थी विकल्प कौन सा है? बी ऑप्शन जलज इज द राइट आंसर। नीचे दिए गए विकल्पों में से इस कमल का सही समानार्थी विकल्प कौन सा है? बी ऑप्शन जलज इज द राइट आंसर। एंड इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ। नेक्स्ट 29 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से भाई का सही विकल्प शब्द है? डी ऑप्शन सहोदर इज द राइट आंसर। 30 नीचे दिए गए विकल्पों में से घर का सही विकल्प शब्द कौन सा है? डी ऑप्शन गृह इज द राइट आंसर। 31 इन विकल्पों में से माता का सही समानार्थी विकल्प कौन सा है? सी ऑप्शन अम्बा इज द राइट आंसर। एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ। 32 डॉट पेन इज मेजेस्टर्स देंस द श्रॉप। सी ऑप्शन द इज द राइट आंसर। 33 डॉट ग्रीन ट्रीज इज दियर्स। बी ऑप्शन दिस इज द राइट आंसर। 34 डॉट लेडीज आर नॉट इंडियंस। सी ऑप्शन दोज is the right answer. And most important questions right now. Next 35 it is not such big problems as you think. A option A is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 36 he is European. A option A is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 37 Raja is honesty is boy. B option and is the right answer. And most important questions right now. Next 38 he is orphan. B option N is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 39 choose the correct from of passive voice from the options given below. Who wrote this book? B options by whom was this book written? 40 Kalidas wrote the play Shakuntalas. A option is the right answer. The play Shakuntalas was written by the Kalidas. 41 choose the correct forms of the indirect speech from the options given below. Ram said to Mohan, where do you live? Option D is the right answer. Ram asked Mohan where he lived is the right answer. Next 42 he said my father likes the companies of children. A option is the right answer. He said that his fathers like the companies of children. 43 he said to her, will you lend me your work for a day? B option is the right answer. He asked her if she would lend him her book for a day is the right answer. Next choose the correct from the propositions from the options given below. 44 here is the watch that you were looking. B option 4 is the right answer. 45 she has been studying 2 hours. B options 4 is the right answer. 46. There is a cow ... the field. A option N is the right answer right now. Next. 47. Sound becomes harder noise pollutions at decimals. A option above 80. 48. And most important questions right now. Which of the following is a major source of thermal pollutions is water's bodies? C options. Thermal power plant is the right answer. Next. 49. The highest heating's value is of B options. Rovis is the right answer. 50. The highest moisture content is in D options. Agriculture waste is the right answer. Important questions right now. 51. Which of the following is likely characterized of hazardous waste? D options. Any of the above is the right answer. 52. Number of steps involved in respirations is in plant is A options 3 is the right answer. 53. Respirations is B options. Oxidations is the right answer. Next. 54. Krebs cycles takes place B options in the mitochondria is the right answer. 55. During Arvik's respirations, first moles of the glucose release energies B options 38 ATP is the right answer. 56. In the process of glycolysis, the molecules of glucose breaks down into A options pyruvic acids is the right answer. 57. Respirations is glossophares takes place by D options. Trachea is the right answer. 58. Blood cells was first discovered by C options. Mali Figi is the right answer. Next. 59. Human's heartbeat rate per minute is A option 72 times is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 60. In humans types of circulatory systems are found. A options 2 steps is the right answer. 61. The branch of science which deals with the studies of hormones. A options endocrinology is the right answer. And most important questions right now. Next. 62. Diabetes occurs due to the deficiencies. D options. Insulin is the right answer. And important questions right now. 63. The reproductive powers of a female is controlled by C options. Both is the right answer. Progesterone and estrogens is the right answer. 64. The type of nephredias according to the structures of functions. D option. All of the above is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 65. The shape of the kidneys is similar to C options. Bean shaped is the right answer. And right now. 66. In humans kidneys the shapes of Henle's loops is both A and first and second is the right answers. And right now. 67. It is not affected of sound pollutions. A options fits is the right answers. And most important questions right now. 68. For erecting barriers in the courses of sound. C options. Trees should be planted on the sides of roads is the right answer. 69. The main components of the ecosystems are D options. All of the above is the right answer. Producers, consumers and decomposers is the right answer. 70. It is a systems of medicines. D options. Urines, Ayurvedics and homeopathics is the right answer. 71. Quinine is the medicines for A options. Malaria is the right answer. And these questions are most important. So write now and learn now. 72. In India is worshipped as a gods of medical science. B options. Dhanvantri is the right answers. And important questions right now. 73. The gas used is burners is laboratories. D options. Govers is the right answers and important questions right now. 74. Respirations is an examples of A options. Slow combinations is the right answer. Next, 75. Producers gas the mixtures of C option CO2 and N2 is the right answer. 76. The formulas of limes which is used for whitewashing is A option CaO is the right answer. Next, 77. The following used for making dry cells C options NH4Cl is the right answer. 78. The following used for making the explosives of crackers is B option saltpeter is the right answer. Next, 79. The reactions between ethylenes and hydrogens in a presence of hot nickel powers is called C options addition reactions is the right answer. 80. Ammonium chlorides on heating gives NH3 and HCl which on cooling against from ammonium chlorides. This reaction is called C options thermal dissociation is the right answer. 81. A reaction is said to be a aquarium states when D options is the right answer. The rate of forwards reactio becomes equals to the rate of backwards reactions. 82. A traders makers high goods 25% above the cost of price and allows a discount of 12.5% on the marked price. If he sells an article for rupees 875, then the cost price of the articles is C option is the right answer. 800 rupees is the right answer. Next, 83. Of orange are brought at the rate of rupees 30 per dozens. At the what price per piece is should be sold to gains profit of 20%. B options 3 and 3 is the right answer. 84. If root 5 is equal to 0.24, then the value of 3 root 5 upon 2 root 5 minus 0.48 will be D option is the right answer. 1.68 is the right answer. 85. Which of the following series of the fractions are descending orders? B options 11 by 12 and 5 by 6 and 13 by 18 and 19 by 36 is the right answer. Next, 86. Which smallest fraction should be added to 2 by 5 into 15 by 21 into 7 by 10 into 3 by 8 to get a whole numbers? C options 37 by 40 is the right answer. 87. In an examinations 40% fails in English and 40% of remaining fails in mathematics. If 180 students passed in the examinations, then the total numbers of students was 200 is the right answers. Next, 88. If candidates gets 25% marks and fails by 30%, will another candidates who scores 50% marks gets 20% marks more than the minimum marks to pass the examinations. The maximum marks of the examinations is A options 200 is the right answer. 89. If the sides of squares are increased by 30%, then the percent increments in areas will be D option 69% is the right answer. Next, 90. If 3 men or 4 women can reap a fields in 43 days, how many days 7 men and 5 women will be reap that field? C options 12 days is the right answer. 91. Two pipes P1 and P2 can fill a tanks in 36 hours and 45 5 hours respectively if both the pipes are opened simultaneously. Then the tanks will be filled in B options. 20 hours is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 92. If a 130 meters along trains crosses a 245 meters long bridge in 30 seconds, then the speeds of the trains per hour will be A options 45 kilometer is the right answer. 93. If 2 by 5 fifth of the numbers is 360, then 50% of the number will be C options 135 is the right answer. 94. The least numbers of 5 digits exactly divisible by 89 will be C option 10,057 is the right answer. 95. When a number is divided by 899, the remainder comes to 62. If the same number is divided by 81, then reminders will be C option 0 is the right answer. Next. 96. In a division sum, the contents is 5 and reminders is 195. If the divisors is the sum of the contents and reminders, then divided will be B options 1105 is the right answer. 97. The difference between the largest and smallest number of 4-digit format 730 and will be V options 4383 is the right answer. 98. A boy walking from his house with a speed 5 km per hour reaches his school 5 minutes later. If he walks with a speed of 6 km per hour is reaches the schools in times. The distance of the schools from his house is C option 2.5 km is the right answer. Next. 99. A wires of length 88 centimeter was folded in the form a circles. The areas of the circles will be D option 616 centimeter square is the right answer. And hundreds, how many meters of carpets of beds 80 centimeter is required to cover the floors of a room of dimensions 20 meters into 16 meter is the C options 400 meters is the right answers. Now completed this papers 2009 solve papers excellence and more school entrance exams. Would you like my channels and subscribe my channels or shares our friends? So thank you.